Hello, dear viewers and learners. Assalamu alaikum. How are you? Doing well? Hope you are doing best. Welcome to my channel, English to Learn. This is Babul Akhtar is with you. Today, I'm going to discuss pronouns with examples. After watching this tutorial on pronouns, I hope that you will have very clear idea about types of pronouns. So let's learn pronouns for today. Understanding the four types of pronouns. There are four types of pronouns: subject pronouns, object pronouns, possessive pronouns, demonstrative pronouns. Subject pronouns function as the subject of a sentence. এসব pronoun বাক্যের সাবজেক্ট হিসেবে ব্যবহৃত হয়। যেমন I live in Tehran. Do you like playing cricket? He doesn't want to come this evening. She works in Dhaka. In these sentences, I, you, he, she are subject pronouns. There are more examples. It won't be easy. We are studying pronouns at the moment. You went to Singapore last year, didn't you? They bought a new car last month. In these sentences, it, we, you, they are subject pronouns. Object pronouns serve as the object of a verb. Give me the book. He told you to come tonight. She asked him to help. They visited her when they came to New York. Here, me, you, him, her are called object pronouns. There are more examples. She bought it at that store. He picked us up at the airport. The teacher asked you to finish your homework. I invited them to a party. In these sentences, it, us, you, them are object pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns refer to things. These and these refer to something that is near. That and those refer to things that are farther away. This is my house. That is our car over there. These are my colleagues in this room. Those are beautiful flowers in the next field. Possessive pronouns show that something belongs to someone. That house is mine. This is yours. I'm sorry, that's his. In these sentences, mine, yours, his, hers are possessive pronouns. There are more examples. Those students are ours. Look over there. Those seats are yours. Theirs will be green. In these sentences, ours, yours, theirs are possessive pronouns. Now we will discuss about possessive adjectives. My, your, his, her, its, our, your, their are often confused with possessive pronouns. The possessive adjective modifies the noun following it in order to show possession. Like, I will get my books. Is that your car over there? That is his teacher, Mr. Jones. I want to go to her store. Its color is red. Can we bring our children? You are welcome to invite your husbands. In these sentences, your, our, its, her are possessive adjectives. And in these sentences, my, your, and his are possessive adjectives. So, dear viewers and learners, hopefully you have understood about the types of pronouns with clear examples. So, if you might have liked this tutorial, please give a like and write your comments below my channel. And if you have any confusion, also you can write here. Then I will try to answer you back. So, dear viewers and learners, in the next tutorial, I'm coming with new grammar in English language, and from this tutorial, you will get all sort of grammars are needed to develop your speaking and writing ability. So thank you very much to be with me and to watch this tutorial. Bye bye, Khuda Hafiz.